Hello, I'm Emma from Mill Farm Eco Barns. We joined Boostly about 3 months ago and it's been brilliant. I've been doing the marketing for our 2 holiday lets for about 5 years now via Instagram, Facebook, of our own website and all third-party affiliations as well. But I was feeling a little bit isolated, a little bit alone. Everything changes so quickly, you don't quite know what to do next. And I was flip-flopping between different things and just really feeling unsure and pretty isolated. And Boostly's really helped me, as well as the tips from Mark and the brilliant videos. I find that the group also are really supportive, so I no longer feel like I'm doing everything by myself. I also have a sense of my week now because there are regular things that I can keep updated with, so I feel like I'm part of something bigger than just our operation. Some of the videos tell me things I already know, but there are always little gems in there that really help out, and I really have a sense that he does know where the industry is going. So yeah, I'd really recommend it, and in fact I have recommended it to friends, so good luck.